Hey guys,
अभी किसी को आने दे ज्वाइन करने दे कहीं हुआ ज्वाइन
so I hope you all are safe and all well. So we are waiting to people to join, and once there would be more number of people, we'll start with the live session. And let me add our couple as well. The request to our couple, they would be just coming, catching up in a while. So I'm getting messages from Vinayak. Hi, Vinayak. And then there is Utkarsh. So hi,
Hi.
hi,
Hi, Akanksha.
hi, Sanya. Hi, Krish. How are you?
Hi. Good. How are you?
All good, all good. I hope Sunday is going to be like little bit chilling type हो रहा होगा आपका.
हाँ आज पूरा दिन we've rested.
Acha. That's great. That's great. So I think we should just wait for I think 3-4 minutes more because people are just joining up.
Sure.
And so somebody is asking to fix screen. Just a second.
Tilt the screens. Okay, wait.
You are able to see me, right?
Yeah.
So I think Sanya, you both are not able. Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, I think so. Just a second. Mine is fine. I think now it's fine. So there is
Yeah.
Sanya. So yeah. So she's mentioning Sanya. I think now you are fine. Somebody by the name August 1212. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah. So we are here for some quick questions that we already want to discuss with our couple who are already married and happily married actually. And the main point is the COVID times that you guys married during the
yeah.
COVID times and how you prolonged all of that sessions and everything. So we'll just start with the question round. I'll ask you some questions and then you must be answering them. And we would also answer the questions that would be coming in the comment section. So
Sure.
people would also have their questions. So just a second. So the first question is that how was your whole planning of this wedding started? Where from it started and how you planned it in the beginning?
In the beginning. So our
Yeah.
starting result and the end result was very different. We had started
Okay.
with a plan of getting married in Goa. And it
Okay.
was
Yeah.
long back. We decided on Goa as a destination back in January 2020, and we went to Goa. We booked our venue there. We booked our photographers. I mean, we booked you guys for Goa first, if you remember. Like my first
Yeah. Yeah.
conversation was with you ki Goa mein shadi hai, and so we booked you for that, and we booked our wedding planners, wedding style. Usi time pe we had booked them also. So everything was Goa centered, and see how that turned out.
So the like it was a journey from Goa to Delhi,
Goa to
which
Delhi.
I think yeah, which was very different and I think difficult also. So I think my next question is like when there were travel restrictions, there were some travel restrictions that happened this after Corona. So exactly what happened during that time, like the families and everything, what happened?
So I think Chris should answer this because I तो panicked. Like I was in panic mode कि अब कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Like we're not getting married this year. So
Okay.
Yeah, because previously also it our dates got postponed because for some personal reason we were first planning in December. Then
Mhm.
you remember that also we had earlier told you that dates will be December. So
Yeah.
it got postponed because
Right,
of
right.
some personal reason, and then again because of COVID, we were thinking if we postpone and
Now,
again,
yeah.
then
We didn't want to postpone it for the second time. So then we stuck to that date. हमने 16th February we had finalized, so we stuck to it. But otherwise, it was so unclear. Everything kept changing every moment. Like I used to call up Krish कि अब क्या होएगा, and he was a little calm. He used to calm me down कि नहीं सब ठीक हो जाएगा, and but I was not convinced. My parents, they did not know what to do. Everything kept changing, so it was quite a roller coaster.
Okay, okay. I hope that that was like full panicky situation, and all were clueless actually that what's
Everybody
gonna
was
happen in.
clueless. I've had so many conversations with you on the phone कि मैं क्या करूं, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. आप मेरे को बोलते थे आप चिंता मत करो, हमारी साइड से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपको जो जैसे करना है वैसे करो.
Right,
But
right, right.
it was crazy.
Correct. So I would like to know more about the kind of vendors that you blogged during the first planning session of your wedding. Like what was all were the vendors, and from where did you search from the
Yeah.
the planning that you started for the Goa wedding for
Right.
that.
So since our date was 16th of February 2021, it was the heaviest date of the season. So we had to
Right.
start planning well in advance. And my
Correct.
go-to app used to be Wedmegood. Like I used to open Wedmegood, look for all sorts of vendors, and I mean they've streamlined the process. So I mean it's so easy to look for vendors. सबसे पहले I had blogged you guys.
Okay.
I found you also on Redmi by the way, and
Great. Great.
then we booked Wed and Style. उनके साथ we went to Goa. उन लोगों ने हमारा रेके कराया था, and
Okay.
then we booked the venue, which was Regalia, and
Acha.
like we were there for 2 days. And the second day we booked that venue, we kept looking everywhere, and that was the best venue. और हम book करके आ गए खुशी खुशी, and little did we know everything is going to change soon. So
Okay,
these
okay.
were the first few vendors, and I had finalized my makeup artist also. I mean, in my head I had finalized कि गोवा में शादी है तो इन्हीं से कराना है मेरे को. वो भी मैंने Wedmegood पे ढूंढे. But then तब तक उनको pay नहीं किया था. But I had full-fledged conversations with her that we'll go ahead with this if my wedding is in Goa, but that didn't turn out as I wanted it to.
Okay, okay, okay. So, like, finally, the vendors were same. That the wedding happened in Delhi and the wedding planned in Goa. So the vendors were same, common, or the were they changed because of this?
The vendors are, you guys remain the same.
I think only makeup
Right,
artist
right.
changes.
Yeah, the makeup artist. So
Right.
I had to, when I was finalizing a makeup artist for Goa, I was looking for somebody who's based in Goa.
Right,
But
right.
when it shifted to Delhi, I wanted to look for somebody who was in Delhi. So that changed. But otherwise, everything remained the same.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So my next question would be like, how did you improvise on your wedding plans and preparations due to COVID-19?
The plans kept on changing, so we had to actually reduce our guest list also according to government restrictions.
Right, right.
And
Yeah.
then again we had to plan according to Delhi people who live close by, who can actually make it to Delhi, then we should definitely invite them rather than people who are really far off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we planned it smartly, and we also spread them according to different functions. So inviting few people on wedding, few people
Yeah.
on cocktail, few on chalky, and so that everyone can actually get to experience
I
the
think
wedding.
that's a very great idea that nowadays couples are very much confused that they are canceling the events, like apart from wedding and engagement they are canceling the
Yeah.
small functions like chonky, mehendi and all. So this is a very good suggestion. I think that what you should do that you should divide number of guests
Right.
as per the number of events.
Yeah, it was extremely tough to do that because there were people we had to call on both the functions. There were people who we had to invite for one function, one for two functions. So it was very difficult to make that list. But at the end, it turned out really well. And जहाँ पे पहले wedding planning के time पे people used to sit and block the vendors and decide on the decor. Here we were planning how to keep people safe. So that was our first priority as to how we can make our wedding safe for everybody, not just us, everybody who's coming to be a part of our wedding.
Correct.
Yeah.
So there are some questions that people are asking on the comment section. So I think it's SUG12492. So we will definitely answer your questions after completing our round. Don't worry, we are here only.
Yeah.
So I think my next question would be like, eventually there was a need arising for the sanitizers and maintaining the health status that I remember that you told me previously that, mask पहन के ही we will do the meeting, mask पहन के ही we will go here.
Yeah.
So, and eventually you did all the shopping and everything. So how did those things happen? What was the whole scenario that you can explain to all of the people around?
So my shopping was extremely set. I was one of the most paranoid people during when COVID set in. Like I get stressed very easily. So I knew there are only going to be 2 or 3 places that I'll visit. So for my wedding lehenga shopping, it's a legacy that we go to Om Prakash Jawaharlal in Chandni Chowk. So I knew I'm going to go there, and that's the only place I'm going to get my wedding lehenga from. So I went to one place, and I sat there for 3 hours. And I बोला लेना है तो यहीं से लेना, and I'm not going to any other place. I'm not exploring, and so I bought my lehenga from there. I got it on the first day itself, and second, my other major function, the engagement. उसके लिए his family had taken me, my new family had taken me shopping, and they were very clear कि ये frontier रास्ते ही होना है. So we went to only 2 places, and we just kind of made sure that we don't have to explore a lot because these were the safest places we could go to, and we knew we'll get something there. And हमेशा मास्क बैग के अंदर सैनिटाइजर एट ऑल टाइम्स, घर से खाना लेके जाना, बाहर खाना भी नहीं खाते थे. So all of that we had to follow everything.
So basically, I think the idea behind all of this shopping plan is that you should be planned, by the number of brands that you want to visit.
Absolutely.
Rather than you should stick to few brands and then you should go there. That's the point.
Right. Absolutely.
That's great. I think you are the best COVID advisors for all the couples.
Anybody, any questions, please ask us.
Yeah. We'll just attend it once and just complete.
Yeah, done.
2-3 more questions left, and then
sure.
we'll be starting up with this session only. So, how are your budgets impacted with respect to vendors booked for your improvised plan of wedding?
Budget,
we kept the same for vendors, at least to maintain the quality. So we kept the budget for the vendors. We were lucky in terms of venue, as in terms of the venue, we had our own personal venue as a backup plan.
Yeah.
So that a plan B worked in that way, and
that was not the plan B. That was actually plan
C. But whatever we could save on that, then we were able to spend more on decor, on vendors, and to make it a bigger success, and on precautions also. So that way.
So how our budget changed in another way was we didn't have to spend on the air tickets. We didn't have to spend on the venue. So that's why we had the liberty to increase our budget in terms of caterers and decor. But there were a few vendors that there was no change in that part of the budget. There are some vendors jinke prices will stay the same because say for example a makeup artist or a photographer, in these vendors you can't expect a price change. So that's what it like. Budget wasn't
मतलब budget जो है वो increase ही हुआ है, decrease नहीं हुआ है. That's about it. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
That's nice because people think that the COVID thing is back again, 50 gathering. So budget can be shortened or something. But I
It
think
can be if you
it can
want
be.
to, yeah, if you
Yeah.
want to cut down on a few expenses, you definitely can. But
Okay.
definitely हमारी guest list reduced. But then the money we were spending on the hotel and all that just got converted into a bigger caterer or a bigger decor. I mean, because we did an outdoor wedding, so we had to do a lot of decor there. So that just kept converting into some other expense.
Right.
So yeah.
That's right. So that's I think that's a personal choice, but
Yeah.
eventually there are few vendors that you told that the prices remains the same, whether it's a
Yeah.
makeup artist or a photographer. But rest people can make a choice whether they want to increase or decrease, whether
Yeah.
the
Absolutely.
COVID situation is there or not. The thing remain the constant. Okay.
Right.
So I think two more questions.
Sure.
So one is this: how was your overall experience of your improvised wedding? Like the
Ah,
final thing that you got in your hand.
it
How was
was
that?
it was great, a huge success. It was better than we had ever imagined it to be. And I think it was all thanks to all the vendors that we had. Like especially Wed Me Good, जिस पे मैं हर रोज बैठ के कुछ ना कुछ नया सर्व किया करती थी. I used to pick up. My best friend knows that I used to pick up a new makeup artist every day to
Okay.
ask her, if she's good, if she's good, is this one good, is this one good, and but I think Wed Me Good made it very simple at the end. So I mean, all thanks to you guys, first of all. Lensizia was extremely nice in this whole process. I remember telling you that इस time पे the only, I mean, right now the only thing that is making me calm is that I know मेरे कुछ ये vendors ये done, and
Right.
these people will completely understand the challenges that we're facing, and you were one of them. And yeah, so Tejaswini Chandar, my makeup artist, she was the best I could ask for. She listened to every single thing that I told her to do on my face or on my hair, and she made sure everything was perfect. And Wedding Style, thanks for their decor. It was brilliant. आप लोग आए थे देखने functions. I'm sure you liked the decor there. And who else? Tandoori Nights did our catering, and
We should thank our guests also. Everyone showed up and everyone partied
showed up.
hard.
Yeah. And
They forgot about COVID completely. So.
right. And who else? There's so many people to thank. And
There was a band.
yeah, there was
Your
a band that
choreographer, I think,
our
because you did
choreographer who also, we found her also on Wed Me Good. The band
Okay.
that played at our wedding also on Wed Me Good. And yeah, so I think Wed Me Good made our life very easy. Our vendors made our life very easy. And it was a great experience. It turned out brilliant at the end.
Correct. So I think because people are not able to imagine that how they would be dancing at the events or doing all of that stuff, because
Yeah.
that's the most difficult part, going at somebody's place and preparing. So how did you guys prepare for the dance performances, whether it's online or what exactly happened?
So she did give us an option of the online videos and stuff, but we wanted a more personalized this thing. But everybody turned up with masks. The choreographer Ashi Bajpai, she turned up with a mask. She made sure. I mean, she herself was pretty scared of the whole situation, because we all were meeting her at one person, and she was meeting like 20 unknown people at a time. So I'm
Right.
sure it was tough for her, but she was great. And we mostly did our practices in open spaces, on terraces or in some balconies, and so we made sure all the practices were outdoors so that there's as less contact as possible.
That's great. So I think in the comment section, Kul Singh is saying that don't forget to thank families.
Oh, of course, they were a rock for us. Like, they were They were there to support us in everything. Anything we wanted, they were ready with a solution.
Correct.
Thanks
Because
to our families. Yes.
yeah, because in this particular time, I think family support is the most important.
Yeah.
If they are
Absolutely.
with you,
And of
then
course,
everything is good.
Harman reminds me that Saini uncle, he says. So one function, our main wedding function, was catered by Mr. Saini, and he was brilliant. Like everybody loved the food, and thanks to him as well.
Great, great.
Yeah.
So I think we are just at our last question, and it is, what are your learnings from the overall process of switching from your original plan of wedding?
Our learnings. The biggest learning was initially you feel scared, but please don't panic. Things do work out. Everything works out, and it's going to be great. Like your wedding is not going to be a disappointment. It's going to be just as beautiful as you imagined it to be. For us, it was even more beautiful. It was great. It was dreamy. Anything else you would like to add? Anything you learned from the process?
To be flexible,
Yeah.
have multiple plans in mind, and also to stay calm. So even if you're not able to do a destination wedding or
Anything that you
planned,
planned, it's
you
okay.
can plan it at your home or nearby banquet or in any open space, nearby farmhouse, and
Yeah.
still it will turn out to be great if everyone is happy, everyone is enjoying, and you are enjoying most of the time. So that's the most important part. If the groom and the bride are enjoying, then everything will turn out to be fine. So
Correct. That's right. So I think your learnings are that people should not pause the process. They should
Yeah.
plan.
Don't pause the process. Keep planning. Keep having different plans. Don't think कि अब कोरोना आ गया तो अब कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता,
just
शादी नहीं कर
plan
सकते.
smartly. That's
Just
it.
be very smart. Keep all the safety measures, all precautions in mind, and it'll turn out great.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for all of the answers. I think you have solved lots of problems that people
I
would be
hope
having.
so. I hope we helped.
Definitely. If people would like it, we will definitely come up with more live sessions like this. So I think now we should answer the questions by the people who have asked us in the comment section. So I'll start from the beginning. Just a second.
Yeah.
So again, there's I don't know the exact name, but it's SUG12492.
Yeah.
He has asked that how to deal with the stress. Yeah.
To deal with stress, I think the easiest way is to talk to people, talk to your best friends, talk to your family. No need to suppress your feelings, just talk. And there are going to be a million ways people are ready to help you at this time, because everybody is going through this together. Like you're not the only one who's feeling what you're feeling. Everybody is going through the same, and everyone will help you, your friends especially.
Correct. So basically, the main point here
And
is that communication.
Stop watching the news 24/7. Please.
Uninstall the apps, news apps.
True. Okay. So there was someone else that Gagan, I think Gagan JTG, something like that. So he said that it was a very difficult for us to make guest list. So any
that's my
guidance
mother. Yes.
Mom.
Yeah.
So any guidance that you would be having, that how to prepare a guest list that can't affect the original plan and won't be affecting the people that you are inviting?
Yeah. More than assistance, it's a personal experience that I'm telling you, that there are going to be multiple guest lists. You're going to scratch one out, you're going to make a new one, and then there'll be a new one. But please be patient. You will have your guest list by the end of the whole process.
Great. So I think we solved 2 of the questions as of now.
Yeah.
Again, so there was Gagan only. He's asking, all the functions were done outdoors with less gathering?
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. We reduced the number of guests and we made sure all our functions are outdoors. So, I mean, because as I said, I was extremely paranoid, and so were our family members. His sister is extremely cautious. So, we wanted to make sure not just us, everyone is safe. So, outdoor transmission, as we all know, is a little less than indoors. So, we
True.
wanted to make it that way. Yeah.
Okay. So there's one more, Ux.Arora. He's asking, how are you guys controlling to stay at home during COVID times? दुखती रग पे हाथ छू लिया इसने तो। ऐसा क्वेश्चन
I mean, this is a time when we should have been out enjoying our early married life. But right now, okay, we were enjoying a lot at home. We're playing different sorts of board games. We're watching different television series. It's all fun. It's great.
We got lucky before in March we were able to roam around a bit, so we traveled across different cities.
Yeah.
So
At that
somehow we were lucky at that time.
Great. So Kul Singh is saying that COVID made it more exciting and adventurous.
Yes, it was extremely adventurous, extremely exciting. The whole process would have been a little more dull, I think, अगर इतनी ऊपर नीचे roller coaster ना होती.
मतलब पूरा ड्रामा रहा. It was a
पूरा
dramatic
drama.
situation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So there is Ashna Chatwal, and she's asking how were the pre-wedding events like during COVID?
Pre-wedding events, as in
Like the
pre-wedding
mehendi and the
Oh,
functions
okay.
before the wedding. Yeah, she's asking that.
They were beautiful, to say the least. They were very, very
Pre-wedding shoot. Talk about pre-wedding shoot.
Oh yeah, you talk about the pre-wedding. Why should I talk about everything?
So, so I just want that you should tell the people that how many events totally you had. You had the Roka engagement, total
Yeah.
number of events, and exactly how they were, the kind of experience you had and the people had, because people must have shared some experience with you, because it was the first event that they would be attending after the COVID thing.
Yeah.
Your specific event. So I think that's what Ashna wants to ask.
Yeah, so
First one was Roka.
yeah,
Right?
the first one was Roka, and
Yeah.
it was supposed to happen in an indoor area first. But looking at the changes that were happening during COVID, we made even that function to be outdoors. It was it was a last minute improvisation actually. So that function was great. I think everybody said that, because in every function we made sure we had sanitizer bottles on every table. Entrance pay we kept thermometers and everything. So all in all, everyone felt extremely safe, for a lack of a better word. Everybody was extremely happy with how everything turned out, and our biggest success actually was after any of our functions, like be it Roka or anything, touch wood, nobody got sick. Nobody got sick. So that was the hugest success that we could share with you all.
Correct. That's great, because
Yeah.
covering, having all the events, and then eventually having the success that nobody got ill and
Yeah,
everybody
I think
was
आजकल
safe.
सबसे बड़ा success is to not fall sick after any of the functions. So that turned out great.
Correct. Okay. So Aks Arora is saying you guys rocked in your dance performances.
Oh, thank you. Thanks to Ashi.
Okay. So they are asking how to deal with stress for brides, especially brides.
For the bride, I mean, I've answered this. Just talk to people, talk to your friends, and yeah, concentrate on the kind of events that you want. Keep planning that. Keep your head away from all the bad news, and I think you'll be fine.
So basically, staying positive and talking to
Yeah.
different people. That's
Definitely, yeah. Your family is your biggest support system. They'll be there for you. So just don't panic. Everything's going to be okay.
Okay. Okay. So Karan is asking, how was your pre-wedding experience during COVID times? Pre-wedding shoot, because people must be, they have already seen the photographs, so maybe that's why.
Yeah. So you talk about the pre-wedding.
Yeah, it was a really beautiful one. We planned it at Sundar Nursery, and there was one other venue, Garden of Five
Garden
Senses.
of Five Senses. Yes.
So it was pulled off in a great way by Lensizy again. We didn't take up the video part. It was just the photography for
But we
one
regret
entire
it.
one.
We should have taken the video. We do regret
Then
it.
again, we had planned to go to different, I think, maybe hill stations or maybe some other destination like Goa, if it would have been a non-COVID situation. But still, we were able to pull it off in Delhi.
Yeah, we got a lake view at Sundar Nursery. We got the mountain view at Garden of Five Senses. So it turned out great. It was beautiful, and the pictures were captured beautifully.
Okay. So the Aksara is asking, how did your honeymoon destination change during COVID times? We love your page, Travel with Casey San.
Oh, thank you. We're trying to make it nice. We can't travel much, but we'll keep adding things. But our destination definitely changed. Me and Krish wanted to go to Norway. We wanted to see the Northern Lights, and but yeah, at the end we went to Maldives, the only destination that was open. But it was beautiful. It was great. Again, as I said earlier, everything's going to turn out perfectly as long as you're with somebody who's going to make you happy forever.
Correct.
Yeah, even when it comes to honeymoon, we faced many cancellations. We had planned Dubai earlier, then we didn't get a refund for that. We cancelled that. Then we planned Maldives, and second destination we planned later on Gulmarg. Somehow we got lucky. We got the resort. So
yeah, we
you have to
stayed
be
at
flexible.
Khyber
You
there,
have
and
to
we
be
stayed.
lucky, and you have to be patient. So
Yeah.
Okay. So there is one more question by Just It Is. Which particular event was your favorite among all?
All were great in their different ways. We can't choose one. Can you choose one?
yeah, cocktail.
Yeah, we can choose cocktail. No, but the wedding had a very different feeling. It was. We had two ceremonies on our wedding because he's from a Hindu family. I'm a Sikh, so we had both the wedding ceremonies, and they were all beautiful in their own way. The mehendi was afternoon function. It had a very different vibe from what we did at the cocktail. Everything was very different from each other. Everything was beautiful. For him, cocktail was the best, but for me, everything was great.
Okay. Krish, anything else that you want to add regarding the cocktail thing? Why it's your favorite?
You tell us, Akanksha.
Yeah, from a third person's perspective,
You are the one clicking our pictures. You tell us why it's our favorite.
I totally know that why it was favorite and why exactly only cocktail. I know the dances and everything that the drinking part as well. I know the shooting part and the drinking part, how it got mixed and everything. But it was nice. It was a very nice experience that after this COVID and everything.
Yeah, we couldn't imagine. We'd never expected so many people to dance and go crazy on our cocktail. It was a nice experience to see everybody open up so much.
True. I think. So Gagan is asking, Roka was outdoor in the afternoon.
Yes. So of course, our Roka was supposed to be an indoor event.
Plus earlier it was planned during night time.
Yeah, it was all a nighttime event, and then we changed it to afternoon so that
there was a similar thing happening at that time. Also, there were night curfews imposed. So we actually shifted it to a day event, and
Yeah.
it actually was
And
better experience than
keeping in view that the afternoon, I mean, it was a winter month, so keeping in view that there are going to be oldies at the function, we wanted to make it more comfortable for them, so we kept it an afternoon event in the outdoors. Yeah.
Okay. So, like, again, the same thing has started that, people are allowed only to shoot in the, like, cover their events only in the daytime, not in the night time.
Yeah.
So, sometimes, people are very hesitant that, it's a night event planned, decor is of the night, and how we will be shifting that. So, how to, make them feel that, it's okay, it's fine. Like, okay, if it would be a night event and it would be a day event, it's fine. That's not a problem.
We to really wish all our events were day functions because day has a very very beautiful feel. I feel
Correct.
हमारी day वाले functions were extremely vibrant and extremely pretty. So I mean, uh, don't worry, it's going to be beautiful. Day functions are very very pretty.
Correct. Okay. So I think we have answered most of the questions. And if any of the questions have been left, then we'll definitely revert on the comment section back. So there's a last question that I would have that, so I asked you this only. So as a brands, we get queries asking for reducing price for photography services due to COVID. So what are your thoughts on it? Like, what should we exactly, tell them, or what are your personal thoughts? Because we have already had all of this conversation and we have done all of this thing. So,
Right. So so you've asked me that why the prices for photography can't be reduced, or how
yeah.
should you? Okay.
So why,
So
like the people are asking this question that photography prices, उसमें कुछ कम आया होगा, the gathering is 50, so you can reduce it, and then what should be the correct answer as being a client or being at the other side of the picture? What will you write to them?
because there will be equal number of ceremonies. There will be a proper duration of those particular hours. There will be a fixed team size provided by you guys. So also, I used to be also a photographer as a hobby. I used to click a lot, so I know the expenses and everything which is there, and it doesn't make sense. But logically, how will you reduce? Even I don't know.
yeah, because your team size is going to remain the same. I think I mentioned in one of the questions earlier that there are a few vendors who can't reduce prices. For example, even makeup artists, because at the end of the day, she was doing the makeup on my face earlier also. Now also she's using the same products, and if anything, she's using even more caution now. So, so for one, makeup artists can't reduce their prices, and I mean, I personally feel that, as he said, that there is a certain cost involved for your equipment or your team size. That's not reducing in any way. So I think,
Then maybe you can remove the additions, like there won't be a drone, then maybe
yeah,
one less photographer or something
maybe
like
something
yeah.
like that. But I feel like why compromise on any of that, because at the end of the day, 20 years, 30 years down the line, you would want to see these things. You would want to have a drone capturing your wedding, or so I feel. I mean, please don't please don't reduce any of this.
Okay. So I think we have answered all of the questions by the. Let me just check if there are some questions left. No, so we have answered all of the questions now. So Sanya, I would like that if you would like to share some photos or the videos so that people can see during the COVID times how your
Yes.
wedding was and how your events were.
Of course.
The joyous thing happened. Yeah.
We do have our pictures with us. Um, I don't know if you can see this here.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
was this was our Sikh wedding ceremony, and right here is our Hindu wedding ceremony, brilliantly
You
captured by
can
you
like
guys.
little bit upside. I think people would be able to see them.
Can you see it?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Now
Yeah.
it's nice.
Then our cocktail videos might be here.
Mhm.
Instagram. Right. So cocktail photos. Let me see them. This is our engagement right here, and it was all very, very pretty. And let me just show you a few dance videos that we had during our cocktail. Just a second. This is Krish's performance. Uh, Very, very beautifully captured by Lensasia. Can you see it?
Yeah, yeah. Like you can move a bit away from the camera. Yeah. Upside, little bit upside.
Yeah.
Now it's fine.
So everything was very, very nice. In fact, our Roka video was featured by Wedding Sutra also, and
Yeah.
that was another very good event. And yeah, I think I can show you the whole album, every photo to show you how pretty the event was. But I think we lack time.
Yeah. So they can follow your page. I'll drop the link also in the comment section. You
Definitely.
will get the exact idea that what kinds of videos, photos, everything was
Yeah,
there.
yeah. We
How
keep
the
sharing everything.
yeah, and how was the whole experience of the COVID wedding?
For sure.
Uh,
For sure.
okay. Thank you so much for your valuable time and for
Thank
sharing your
you.
experience.
Thank you so much for letting us do this. I mean, I hope people get a little bit of idea as to how we manage and how they can manage in their during their wedding preparations.
Correct. Yeah. I
Anything you
hope.
want to add?
No, I saw Akanksha, you're getting job inquiries also. Like people want to join Lensaiz.
True. I just saw that. So there are so many. Can I join your company? Okay, shelter. Okay. For sure, I will definitely reply to them. Okay. Okay, so I think we should just wrap this up then, and
Wonderful.
we will get more questions, and then I think I'll reply them back, and then we'll get for more live sessions, maybe next week or next weekend. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.